friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. And in today's video we are going to review the Gate Basmati Rice Classic. So this is the classic Basmati rice from Gate, and this is the celebration pack that they have, and today we are going to review this product. So starting off with the packaging, now it comes in a brand new packaging. The Gate Classic Basmati Rice comes in a brand new resealable packaging, which is amazing. It has a ziplock in it, which is never seen before in the Gate Basmati Rice Classic. Right here we can see the Gate branding right on top. Then there's the name of the product, which is Basmati Rice Classic. Then the name of the brand here again, KRBL Limited, the main manufacturer of the Gate. And then this says this is aged rice, 2 years old. So they have aged this rice for 2 years to get it the authentic basmati aroma and taste. Then here we have an illustration of the basmati rice, and the net quantity is 1 kg. So this is basmati beyond compare, is what they have written. Exotic aroma, extra long grain. And let's look more at the packaging here. At the sides we can see the Gate branding again. And here it says celebration bag, and this part is transparent, so you can actually look at the rice before even opening the packet. You can have a look at the rice, and the rice looks amazing. It has pearly white and super slim and long grains, it looks like. It's the same thing on the other side. It's a transparent packaging and Gate branding and a celebration pack written here. Now moving on to the back of the bag, right here it's written celebration bag. Here's the Gate branding again. Why should we have aged rice? Because aged rice has longer grains. It grows 20% more in length compared to non-aged rice. It gives you 30% more volume, so it eats 30% more as compared to non-aged rice. It has a longer holding time. It maintains its texture, form and fluffiness for a longer time. It is fluffy and non-sticky. It has a smooth, non-sticky and fluffy texture. Now coming to the cooking tips. How should you cook it? So before cooking, make sure to soak the rice for 30 minutes. Okay. If you are cooking in an open pan, take 5 cups of water and 1 cup of rice. So for every 1 cup of rice, you need to take 5 cups of water. In a closed pan or microwave, you just need 2 cups of water for every 1 cup of rice. To that, always add 1 tablespoon of oil or margarine and salt to taste. And if you are using an open pan in a large cooking pot, bring water to a rolling boil. Add the rice and stir gently. Cook it for 6 to 7 minutes on medium heat, uncovered. Drain and rinse with more boiling water. Strain the excess water and serve. If you are using the closed pan method, you need to bring the water and rice to boil. Cover pan with a tight lid and let it simmer for 9 to 10 minutes. Remove from heat and allow it to stand covered for 5 minutes. So that is what the cooking methods are given. Coming to the price of the product, very important. The price of the product is rupees 210 for a kg. So that comes up to really expensive, but I'm really looking forward to how does this basmati rice taste and is it worth the price. So yes guys, the MRP of the product is 210 rupees, and the shelf life of this product is around 9 months, I suppose. And yeah, the MRP is 210 rupees. Guys, let's go ahead and cook this rice up and taste how does it taste. So guys, we are going to do a taste test of the Gate Classic Basmati Rice, and right here I've cooked up a biryani out of it. So I'm going to do a taste test of it. Coming to the texture of the rice, it is nice and slim, and it is medium in length, not very long. I expected it to be like a long biryani rice, but it's not that long, but it's decently long. uh, and it is nice and slim. It's very fluffy. The feel of the rice is nice and fluffy. uh, it has a slim texture to it. It's not very fat rice. So here it goes. This is a taste test of the India Gate Classic Basmati Rice. The rice is nice and fluffy and tasty. Perfectly cooked. It has a nice flavor to it. And when I had opened the packet, it had a very nice basmati aroma to it as well. This rice is like 2 years aged rice. It has smooth texture and overall taste is good of the rice. It's nice and fluffy and smooth textured rice. So I like the rice. So I'll definitely rate this rice a 5 on 5. But I feel the price is a bit too high. Rupees 200 and plus for 1 kg of rice is a bit high. I think a biryani rice or basmati rice around rupee 100 120 is good. It is as good as this rice. But yeah, like India Gate Basmati Classic Basmati Rice is a bit overpriced. So guys, that is my review about the India Gate Classic Basmati Rice. We did a taste test right now and the rice is good to taste. It makes a perfect biryani out of it. So if you all like the rice, you can go ahead and purchase it. I left a link to purchase it from Amazon in the description below. You can purchase it from there. And if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.